Following a recent meeting between the Meghalaya government and the Khasi Students Union regarding the Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act 2024, Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma has assured that key local safeguards will remain intact in the proposed amendments. Addressing concerns, the Chief Minister clarified that the provisions of the Meghalaya Land Transfer Act, the rules and regulations of the district councils and employment opportunities for local youth will be applicable under the revised act. This statement comes amid growing discussions on the potential impact of the legislation on indigenous land rights and employment. The government's engagement with the Khasi Students Union highlights ongoing deliberations to ensure that investment policies align with the state's existing legal framework while fostering economic growth.
But it's not just about, as I said, the KSU or other NGOs that met me. I mentioned that because they met me 2 days back. But before that also many other organizations, individuals and MLAs were from the ruling side have been mentioning this to me every time we sit. So this has been an issue that I could understand was creating concerns among the people. Though it was a very clear issue, there is no question of, as I said, bypassing any kind of land acquisition laws and rules we have. So therefore, we were very clear on it, but because it was creating confusion, we thought that it's better we amend that. Yeah, so basically the first, the amendments that we brought in, which we went through, was number one, that provisions of the Land Transfer Act will be applicable. Different rules and regulations as per the district councils will be applicable. And different opportunities for employment for our youth will also be applicable. So these are the things which actually goes without saying, but in order to give the confidence to the people, we thought it's better we insert it in the Principal Act itself. We will reassure the people about our commitment and our sincerity on this particular issue. There was an issue of a land bank, which we had mentioned, which is something which is necessary for investments because certain investors may come in and require land to be leased out to them. So we had kept the provision for the Meghalaya Investment Promotion Authority also to act as one of the agencies which could then have a land bank and then lease out as per the Land Transfer Act. Provisions under that lease out to different investors. But since people had concerns and doubts, we have decided to bring out the Meghalaya Investment Promotion Authority completely from the purview of land acquisition or any kind of land bank creation. So therefore, MIPA will now be a pure policy and agency that will facilitate promotion and will receive the applications and process, and the necessary applications and documents to be sent to the respective departments will then be coordinated through MIPA. So it will play a pure role of only a facilitating agency. Because the point is that these are acts and provisions which we have to follow in any case. So it's not that it cannot be followed. We have only decided to include it in the act. So whether we don't include it also, they will still be applicable. So there's nothing to be negative about it. But the confidence level was somehow not there, so people were doubting, so we put it. So therefore, there is no question of investors having any kind of concerns about it because they already knew that those laws and acts will be applicable to them.